Hi readers, welcome back. So in language, you were understanding a little bit what um, personification, figurative language, and how it relates with words. And we're going to continue doing that. And in reading, you are going to quote from the text to support your thinking. So let's get diving into it. First, what is going on in the first real sense given? So we learned that at first he was clueless of what to do, but then later on, he got a fly. His grandma got a flyer and help him figure it out what was going on for Thanksgiving. What did they needed to cook? And he went to the supermarket with the money in hand, ready to buy everything in the supermarket. He asked help from a lady, and he was ready to buy all the stuff and get them home. So today you will have a chance to read aloud. You are going to go into the Amplify app, and you're going to go to the library, choose the first unit. It should be a picture like this, and you're going to open to the Los Prince of los Cocuyos and read pages 9 through 13. And while you're reading that, I want you to think as you were reading for a personification. And we said that personification is when the writer gives lives to things as if they were people or animals. So be looking out for that and read and listening for the repeating idea of the conflict between the Cuban culture and the American culture. How is this kid being conflict, or his grandma or family being conflict about that idea? So also you are going to be recording yourself. So this is where you will go. And remember, you have to be logged in before you click in here. Okay? So make sure you go to the Clever, go to the Amplify app, and click there. Log in through there before you touch the content here. You're going to read pages 9 to 13. And we'll talk about this when you're back.